Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an RN at Wittmer Rejuvenation Clinic. I'm going to go over the top 5 questions about Sermorelin. First question, what is the dosing? For the first month, you're going to take your medication as prescribed nightly. After that first month, you will then take your medication every other night until the vial is gone. Second question, how long can you take Sermorelin for? This is a medication that you can take indefinitely. If you are taking it for an injury, it's recommended that you take it for at least 6 months to get the full benefits. Question number 3, does it expire? Yes, there is an expiration date that is printed on the vial. Question 4, when should you inject Sermorelin? You will want to inject Sermorelin subcutaneously on an empty stomach in the evening. Otherwise, it can cause nausea. Last question, how should I store it? You will receive this vial of medication from the pharmacy with ice packs. If the ice packs are melted, your vial is still okay to use for a few days at room temperature. Once used, you will want to store it in the refrigerator.